Welcome. We are continuing with our tutorial. In the beginning we will use ready function, and for this ready function we will pick icon. This is our sprite node, and we will try to set scale for it. For setting scale you need vector2 variable, and we will set some parameter and try to see what will we get with this scaling. So we have scaled our icon, our sprite. Let me put it here, you can better see what's happening. I will put label somewhere down there, like label node. Okay, I will not change many things, just for you to be simple. So we have sized icon with this set scale. And now I will introduce you with one other node. We will add it here. You can also use it Ctrl A to add it. This is timer node. Just write in search box the name of node you want and create it. Timer node can give you function, timeout function. If you go to inspector window and click to node, you can see here timeout function. This timeout function can be created if you click down there. Maybe you don't see it. If you click down there to connect button. So when you select this, just click down there on connect button. You don't see it, but you will see it on your computer. I'm experimenting with some screen, but let me go back to topic. Select to node 2D and just click on connect. What will happen? You will have make functions. So when you click connect, you will get this on timer timeout function. What is this function? This function is active only when you have timeout, when this wait time occurs. So when this wait time happen, and it will happen on every 0.3 seconds, you will have timeout. For starting function I will use auto start. This function will work continuously. Okay, and now we have this set properly. If you write, for example, print command here and write is something like you will see how timer work. Here in output window you will see timer working in every timeout. What can we do with this? So how to use it? We can put this part of code here. So we only have this timeout function. We have set scale, and set scale can be something like this, but this is not so important. And you will not get many things with this. You will get only one scaling. So after 0.3 seconds you will have scaling. If you change this, for example, for 3 seconds, you will have your icon, and after 3 seconds you will have change in size. You can also do something from previous example, so you can make on ready variable d. We will start with variable 0, and we will use this variable here, so it will be d will be 0, but when every timeout is happen, and timeout will be in a 0.1 second, we will increase this d variable for some amount we defined previously. And what will we get? We will get something like this. See? And if you use conditional branching, so d must be lower than some variable, for example 4.2. If this condition is okay or executed or valid, you will get increasing, and increasing will stop. But in this moment when increasing stop, timer will continue working. And what can we do? We can just write it something like else. So if this condition is finished, we will go to use our timer. So we are addressing timer node, and we will say stop, which means timer will stop, and we will get similar code and something similar on the screen. Let me change some variables here and this is change a little bit more. This is it. We can also make some change here, and we will get something like this. Thank you for watching, and you can also watch next lecture. Goodbye.